In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check who actually didn't accept your Instagram friend request. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile page. Then tap at these three horizontal lines to go to Settings and Activity, and then at the very top tap Add Account Center. Now guys, at Meta Account Center we need to tap Add Your Information and Permissions right here. After that, tap Add Download Your Information. This is the only way how we can check who didn't accept our Instagram friend request. Now guys, first off we need to tap Add Download or Transfer Information here. Then select your Instagram account and hit Next. After that, select some of your information, and on the next step we need to scroll down until under Connections we'll find Followers and Following. Select this option and then hit Next. Here, as you can see, Download to Device is selected and you should keep it selected. Here we just need to tap at Next, and now on the next step we can select Date Range. By default it is set to last year, however we can change it to whatever date range we want. We can choose from last week up to all time or even custom. So if you just wanna check your friend request for a custom date range, hit Edit and then set start time and then set start date and end date, and basically now here we shouldn't change anything else. We just need to tap right here at Create Files, and that will start creating file that contains all the necessary data. Keep in mind that it may take maybe 10 or 20 minutes and you should wait for it until it is done. Now we are taken to Download Your Information section, as you can see, and here we can see that our current request is in progress. However, I recently created the same request, and now you can see how it looks like when it is ready for downloading. So now we just need to tap a download button. That will ask us to enter our Instagram password to confirm that it's us. I'm just gonna autofill it and hit Add Continue. And now, as you can see, we are taken to the Safari web browser where we are prompted to just download that file. We just need to tap right here at Download, and it will automatically save it directly to our device as we selected. Now we need to open our Files app on our iPhone's device. Maybe if you are on an Android, you need to open up the app that is called in the same way, like Files or maybe File Manager. And then if we go to the folder which is called On My iPhone, by default Safari saves all the files here at Downloads folder. And that's where we can easily find this zip archive. Now first off we need to unarchive this file. To do that we just need to tap right here and that will unarchive it into a folder. Now we can get into it, and after that we need to open up Connections folder and then Follower and Followings. Now guys, here we can see different files such as blocked accounts, close friends and others. Let's say I can open up blocked accounts here. As you can see, I have just one account blocked, and that's where I can check it. However, unfortunately, I don't have any follow request that is not accepted yet. But if you have at least one of them, right here you will find the file which is called Pending Follow Requests. You'll be able to tap at that file, and that will show you all the users whom you've sent follow requests and who don't accept them. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.